Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for medical finals step by step. First, you need a solid plan. Start by creating a detailed study schedule that covers all your subjects. Identify high-yield topics and areas you find challenging, giving them extra attention. Remember to allocate specific time blocks for active recall and practice questions to maximize your learning efficiency. Next, embrace active learning. Instead of passively reading, use active recall techniques such as flashcards and self-quizzing to test your knowledge. Try explaining complex concepts aloud as if teaching someone else. This truly solidifies your understanding. Also, integrate spaced repetition into your routine to boost long-term memory retention, reviewing material at increasing intervals. Practice is paramount for medical finals. Complete numerous practice questions and past exam papers to familiarize yourself with the format and content. Crucially, review all incorrect answers thoroughly to understand your mistakes and fill knowledge gaps. Consider forming study groups to discuss difficult concepts and teach each other, which can be a highly effective learning method. Finally, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get adequate sleep and maintain good nutrition throughout your study period. These are vital for cognitive function. Take short, regular breaks to prevent burnout and maintain focus, perhaps every 1 to 2 hours. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Staying healthy will help you perform your best on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.